रिंग रिंग सर्वलिंग भूत भविष्य वर्तमान बदले।
क्या बात है
आते पड़े थे बचपन
wow it's like my therapist asking me this question पिटे थे आप बचपन में
Instagram is only telling you now using AI how you can become a billionaire. सब अपना काम धाम छोड़कर अब सब बिलियनर बन जाने वाले हैं. Make mistakes. Make room for other people making mistakes. The problem is we tend to think of ourselves as the center of the universe. We're not. Nobody knows what the center of the universe is, and it most definitely is not us.
because for door argument कि door खुला रहेगा door बंद रहेगा this person just stabs and he's no more he was 22 years old
In the world that we live in right now, it is so desensitized that we don't feel other people's pain anymore. And when you don't feel pain, you don't mind inflicting it.
yeah
None of us have any idea where we're going. None of us. We're just following its herd mentality.
मूवीज भी देख रहे हैं लोग आजकल जहाँ 3 घंटे की मूवीज नहीं देख रहे लोग मूवीज नहीं देख रहे इसलिए आप कोच बन रहे हो आप
I had done a show recently जहाँ पर मैंने कुछ बोला था and that's kind of gone a bit viral because I made a comment about women's safety.
Yeah.
And about the fact that
You with you निखिल भाई के साथ किया था आपने
yeah.
हाँ निखिल भाई is a very dear friends
I said something which I meant just not in the way to attack men, just to stay facts based on, basic statistics.
yeah
So I said, if one were to make a generalization, then this is the reality of the statistics that one receives.
correct
So I said, well, if you ask any man also कि आप बाहर जाने से क्यों डरते हैं, no man is going to say मैं लड़कियों से डर रहा हूँ. उसे भी पता है कोई आदमी होगा ना बाहर जो आके चोरी कर लेगा या स्टैप कर लेगा. जो it's always a man out there who is even a reason for another man to be afraid.
correct
So I said, so there is a systemic problem and we don't discuss it because everyone gets offended saying not all men.
correct
So I said that. I said, someone has to say it's not all men, but it's always a man. And as men, as a collective, we all need to take responsibility and then do better. Basically, that's
yeah
So I got a message this morning. Obviously, I got so much hate, which was natural.
okay
Natural. I knew it's
I
going
mean,
to come back.
ठीक है,
and
okay.
Men saying the vilest of things. I said, you just keep proving me right. What I'm saying is exactly what you are proving by behaving the way you are. So this guy's जो भी क्या अजीब बात कर रही हैं आप जो है वैसा तो है इट्स लाइक गोइंग एंड टेलिंग अ टाइगर कि तुम कार्निवोर मत बनो So I was like, it's not the same thing.
Great analogies.
Okay, I like that. That is how you are
by
justifying.
men again
By man. I said, देखो
Yeah.
एक तो एंगर पे तुम लोगों को कुछ काबू नहीं है फिर अकल की बात में भी मार खा रहे हो बहुत बुरी तरह से अच्छा मैं क्या आर्ग्यू करूं तुम्हारे साथ दिस इज नॉट जस्टिफिकेशन दैट मेन शुड बी अलाउड टू बी मेन ओके
but what does a person do when he or she is in a heightened state of emotion
First thing, just take 10 breaths. That's all you do. So any emotion does not last more than 90 seconds.
really
Yes.
90 seconds
Time it next time.
wow
So
मैं अगर टाइम करने बैठ गया तो मैं तो ऐसे ही भूल जाऊंगा that's the point
I tell you, I'll just take your attention away from where you are. So simple सी बात.
am I getting hypnotized on the show what is happening
चाहते पड़े थे बचपन में.
wow it's like my therapist asking me this question पिटे थे आप बचपन में I mean playfully yeah I think every kid has and not I don't think very seriously
I'm not making a case for corporal punishment.
No,
because
like-
I'm very against
no of course
children being hit. I've never touched my daughter. And I have been at the receiving end of many slaps. But to look at it from a psychological standpoint, when did you get slapped? When you did something out of line, technically.
Correct.
जैसे तुम माँ बाप ने थप्पड़ नहीं मारे ना कि बैठे बैठे से चाटा मार दिया आपने कुछ गड़बड़ की होगी
ठीक है
या तो आप टैंट्रम थ्रो कर रहे हैं या आप गुस्सा हो रहे हैं या आप कुछ कर रहे हैं एक जोर का चाटा पड़ा सडनली you just got reset.
correct
Otherwise, if I had let you be, that would have continued. So similarly, an emotion, if it goes unchecked, it spirals out. And then what's happening is that it's taking over your rational brain, which is your prefrontal cortex. That's the place, that's the seat of reasoning. It's where you understand what kind of reaction or response does a situation need. But if you don't let that kick in, it's like, okay, so it's, imagine this is your prefrontal cortex.
Correct.
And this is your amygdala, which is the place for all emotions. Now, when something happens, first thing that happens is this kicks in.
Okay.
Now, if I continue with this, and I'm like, okay, I'm spiraling, I'm not allowing this guy to come in the front and say, sit back, I've got it. But that switch has to happen. You have to allow for that switch. So there's a very cute thing that you do with children, which is called a little turtle technique.
Which is?
Which is you go into your shell.
Oh.
So when you're angry or you're upset, if you just shut your face and you go inside, the brain does the switch. So you go into that little, you tuck your head into your little shell, and then when you come out, the rational brain has kicked in. So when you start understanding that the mechanisms are in place, you have to allow. It's like when you shift your car into gear. Only when you shift it will you pick up speed.
Correct.
अपने आप फिर वो घर एक ही gear पे चलता रहेगा ना. So similarly, the brain knows how to switch gears, but you have to give it that time. So when you allow, if you realize that a stimulus is making you reactive, either you breathe through it, you give it that count, you don't go with the emotion immediately. You first observe it, saying, okay, so I am getting angered. I'm not angry. You separate yourself from what is happening.
Yeah, correct.
Right?
Yeah.
I am feeling sad. I am not sad. You haven't become the feeling. You are feeling the feeling. You are still you. You're in a position to say, okay, I am getting angered, but I can also calm myself down. You are in charge.
यार but जिया मेरे को बताओ कि the whole idea behind twisting a particular emotion and making it like making a whole mountain out of a molehill is just stupid in my opinion, because आजकल लोग, और मेरा सबसे बड़ा फंडामेंटल प्रॉब्लम ये लोगों के साथ आजकल इन जनरल इज लोग अपने आप को कुछ ज़्यादा ही सीरियसली ले रहे हैं, which is beyond my understanding. And I seriously feel बहुत कम लोग मस्ती कर पा रहे हैं आजकल. I understand work stress. I understand यहाँ पे भी तुम इस पे भी कमेंट लोग कर देंगे कि अरे यार इतना वर्क स्ट्रेस है, दिस अ प्रिविलेज कॉन्सेप्ट कि तुम्हारे पास इतना पैसा है तो तुम बोलते हो कि पैसा मैटर नहीं करता. All of that is I understand, but all of that is that's not the point.
The point is, again, see, we can only conjecture.
Yeah, I'm sure. हाँ.
With certainty about anyone because none of us know another person's story.
हाँ, सही बात है. हाँ.
That the things that are affecting me are also probably affecting you, are also affecting someone else who's watching us, listening to us, in varying degrees in different aspects of our life.
हाँ, सही बात है. हाँ.
लेकिन बात क्या हो रही है कि एक तो there was a time when I'm saying when I was younger, okay, and whatever I was exposed to when I was growing up was once in a while, you picked up a magazine and you saw a magazine and you saw all these really beautiful shiny things. I'm like, yeah, gosh, मेरे पास ही makeup होता. I wish I had this house.
सही बात
I
है.
had this car. Oh my God, look at these pictures of this holiday. This is so beautiful. I love it.
Yeah.
मैंने मैगजीन बंद की, उसकी थोड़ी सी याद रहेगी मेरे साथ. मैं शायद जाऊंगी दोस्तों के साथ. I saw this magazine and there was all this blah 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 blah. Man, I hope we can buy it. And then we moved on to something else.
Correct.
And it was forgotten.
Correct.
Right? आपने टीवी ऑन किया, आपने देखी, अरे वाह, my favorite film star, look at them, wow, what a fancy car, looking so cool. When you switched off the TV, that memory would fade after a while. And then you would go on with your day. You would go on about your day and nobody knew about it except you and whoever was
सही बात है.
Right?
हाँ.
Now, in that day, whatever were my struggles, okay, maybe I felt my family had a financial strain, or I had someone who was unwell, or maybe I was sick, or whatever, I failed an exam. जो भी था, मेरे घर के दायरे में मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ में हो रहा था और किसी को नहीं पता जिनको मैंने ना बताया हो.
Correct.
I would need to pick up the phone or meet a friend and discuss it with them. And then they would find out, oh, shoot, I didn't know you had these issues going on.
Yeah.
Now, I don't have to wait for anything. I see so much happening all the time. Just scrolling, that never ends. I am seeing people doing makeup tutorials. I'm seeing people wearing clothes. I'm seeing people doing changes, seeing shopping halls, holidays, travel, people getting killed, people getting burned, people getting stabbed, back to, oh my God, look at this amazing car. Oh my God, there's a doggy video. Oh, look at this baby, he's so cute. These friends, they're in Paris. I didn't even know this. I have nowhere to go. Can you imagine what I'm doing to myself? What am I doing to my brain? I'm constantly feeling like I'm falling behind. How am I going to manage to do all of this in one lifetime? कि मैं इतना ट्रैवल भी कर लूंगी, मैं इतने सारे कपड़े भी पहन लूंगी, मैं इतना मेकअप भी कर लूंगी, मैं बच्चे भी कर लूंगी, मेरा कुत्ता भी आ जाएगा, फिर हम छुट्टियों पे भी जाएंगे. It's a lot.
Yeah.
Right?
Overstimulation, yeah.
But not that. Is it happening in your life? No. Your life is still the same. Your parents are probably struggling, aging, you may be sick, you may be losing your job, you may not be performing well, you may have just failed an exam, someone's paper got leaked. The magnitude of things that are happening to you, and there is nobody to share it with. Everyone's lives are just looking so damn rosy. What I'm feeling bad about is now making me feel worse. Right? I'm feeling like bloody hell. Why is life not favoring me? मुझे क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है ये सब? ये तो मेरे क्लास का है. अरे ये तो मेरी बिल्डिंग में रहता था. अरे ये टटपुंज है, ये तो वहाँ का है. ये कौन है? ऐसी
Yeah.
The thought process is constantly feeling like, why am I not winning? Now, I'm going to take charge and I'm going to take myself damn seriously. Now, the next person bloody nudges me, now I'll give it off to them. And then that's what I did. 122 bits of power. See, वो जो नाइट था ना, उसको सीधा कर दिया मैंने. सबके सामने डांटा उसको. कि जरूरत नहीं उनको कुछ बोलने की. What am I doing? I'm fueling my ego by feeling very superior right now because I humiliated someone. I'm willing to do anything to feel power. Because actually, behind that power is so much vulnerability that I can't show anybody because everyone else's lives are so good. What do I tell someone? मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है. मैं नहीं आ सकती छुट्टी पे. या मैं तो हैंड मी डाउन्स लेके पहन रही हूँ. या मैं तो सेल पे शॉपिंग कर रही हूँ. या मैं थ्रिफ्ट स्टोर में जा रही हूँ. So, all I'm doing is I'm projecting a life I'm not living. I know the truth. I'm living a lie. Almost everyone on Instagram and on Shorts or wherever it is living a lie. And if they're living that excessively, then that's another problem.
Why is that a problem?
That kind of overconsumption, is it required? Think about it. And if it is, if you can afford it, if it's what you do, great. Does it have to be brandished? उसकी नुमाइश करना ज़रूरी है. आप रहिए ना अपने पैलेस में. And this is what the problem was. There was a time when there was a very clear disparity. Okay? There was the ultra elite, and then there was probably the middle class, and then unfortunately the absolutely marginalized. In the middle, a marginalized person would feel, यार चलो अगली जिंदगी में शायद मिल जाए. The middle class was like, aspire तो करते रहेंगे. You know, we'll die trying. What was that rich man's life? I didn't know. Something left to my imagination. Now I see it. Now the guy on the boat is showing me his boat. The guy who's living in the penthouse is showing me his penthouse. Living the good life. Living the grand life. I'm constantly sticking it to you, saying, तेरे तो जिंदगी में नहीं होगा भैया. You're not gonna get this. But feel bad. I hope this makes you feel bad.
So it's just
everyone
probably
is projecting. Even the guy who has the flat is not satisfied having it till he doesn't stick it to someone. Because what's the joy?
मैं समझ रहा हूँ आपकी बात. I hear you, I listen to you, but मेरे को बताओ कि फिर उसमें डिफरेंस क्या रह जाएगा? अगर जिस बंदे ने कोई चीज़ कमाई, अभी का कल्चर ये हो गया कि जो भी आपने कमाया वो आप इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी डाल के दिखाओ कि ठीक है भैया, मैं ये गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ, मैं इस बिल्डिंग में रहता हूँ, मैं यहाँ वेकेशन जा रहा हूँ, पासपोर्ट की फ़ोटो डाल देंगे, बोर्डिंग पास की फ़ोटो डाल देंगे, मैं यहाँ पे इस बीच पे हूँ, यहाँ वेकेशन कर रहा हूँ, ब्ला ब्ला. एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू सेड. मैं कह रहा हूँ सोशल इज़ अ वे टू probably connect with people and understand and all of that.
No, it's not.
Used to be. I correct myself. मेरे को समझ थोड़ा डर लग रहा है शुरू से बात करके कि यार ये कभी भी डांट सकती है मेरे को. I don't know. But I just feel कि it used to be that way where probably Mark Zuckerberg also did not think कि यार कि मैं इसलिए बना रहा हूँ क्या ये. मैंने तो इसलिए बनाई थी क्योंकि मेरे को अपने हार्वर्ड के क्लासमेट से बात करनी थी and I had no other way to.
I wanted to connect with you.
Yeah, he did not even probably fathom कि इतना बड़ा बन जाएगा. Anyway, that's a different conversation. Point is, the app was made to connect with people and talk to more people. अब एक स्टोरी डाले बिना ऐसा लगता है कि I've lived a day less productive. Where if you're putting like I have seen so many people, both men and women included, where they come to the gym, they do this, they'll click a picture, and they'll walk off in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
That is exactly what people are doing. The perceived image of that act that they're telling people, I went to the gym.
Yeah.
I worked out.
They did. They're not lying.
They came to the gym, but for the gym, not really.
Yeah.
So I don't know if what is it feeding in the brain? What is it? Why do they do what they do? What is it telling to the brain that they're cool enough to fit in the society?
It's just about your life being witnessed by someone.
Witness तो boring, but boring कोई witness करना नहीं चाहता ना. So they want to show the coolness of it, right?
No, but there are lots of people who will even demonstrate their vulnerability on screen. Lots of people will
उसमें भी
cry.
फिर लोग गाली देते हैं कि अरे ये कैमरा ऑन करके गाली क्यों रो कैसे रहा है?
You have to try and understand. There's a lot of good stuff also.
Yeah.
But if
Fair.
you have to go through everything to find that one good thing, right? Or you have to really sort of, here's my understanding.
ठीक है.
And
एक सांस लेके करते हैं बात आराम से, ठीक है?
here's my understanding.
हाँ.
I'm not, firstly, number one, it's here to stay. So
ठीक
let's
है.
accept it for the fact that अभी
हाँ.
यहाँ पर है.
हाँ.
ठीक है? इसने हमारी सारी लाइफ्स को डिस्टर्ब कर दिया. That is also true.
Correct.
Almost everyone I speak to is fed up. They're fed up. It's just like, we're so tired of performing. Because that's all you're doing. You're just
And this you're talking about in your circles, like
whenever I hear this conversation, everyone's like, take this phone away from me.
then this is not like an actor thing. It's not like a celebrity thing at all.
No.
Okay.
Not at
No,
all.
just
Not at all.
curious, huh?
Look, as an actor, I'm performing. I'm very clear. I have no false notions about what Instagram is in my life. I'm performing. I'm using it. Okay, today I have done this particular ad. Please see it. This is the show I've acted in. Please see it. I am doing what I do. I'm not pretending to be someone else.
It's like your digital billboard. कि ठीक है ये देखो ये रहा.
It's an extension of my on-screen persona on one more screen. That's it. Now, because that is how it started out for us, now everybody's on it, right? The whole world is online. So now, if I want to talk about something that matters to me or is about my career, or again, largely about my career, not so much about my life. Am I going to go and put an ad in the paper? I don't know. I don't know if it's going to have the same reach. So I'm going to use where I know I'm connecting with whatever X number of people with one send. Right? So many people who are now following me will know this is what I'm doing today, or this is what I'm doing 3 weeks later. I'm using the tool, which is what it is. It's a tool. Please use it. Don't be used by it.
Fair enough. I hear you.
You want to tell people I went to the gym? Tell people you went to the gym, but also be in the gym, ना?
हाँ.
दिखा दो भाई, अगर आपको उस बात से खुशी मिल रही है कि मेरे कुछ assuming कि okay चलो I'm an actor and people want to see how I keep myself fit.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm telling people हाँ भाई मैं योगा कर रही हूँ, पर मैं योगा कर रही हूँ, जो आप देख रहे हैं मैं कर भी रही हूँ. मैं सिर्फ आपको दिखाने के लिए योगा मैट का फोटो लेके योगा मैट को फोल्ड करके रख नहीं रही हूँ.
सुनो. I'm very excited because अब सुनो, there are a lot of actors.
Yeah.
A lot of people in the not just
Now
actors.
तो everyone's an actor.
Not just
अब
actors.
सब actor हैं.
But have you never felt like I want to bring in Shararat?
Yes.
Great segue. What a podcast. Great segue. But before that, I want to appreciate your vocabulary in Hindi. A while back, you mentioned in the same statement, which is fantastic, you used Tatpunjia and you used Numaish in the same sentence. It's crazy. Does it come from TV? Does it come from the scripts you read? Do you read specifically? Or Tatpunjia, I understand, but Tatpunjia and Numaish in one word is absolutely fantastic. I don't know how you do it. It's wonderful. You might have ignored it. My job is to listen.
You know, I don't know. I don't know. I think yes, I will. I will always give credit कि अगर मैं उर्दू के लफ्ज इस्तेमाल करती हूँ,
क्या
वो
बात.
सिर्फ फरीदा जी की बदौलत है. She is the person who taught me excellent Urdu and not
Oh, she's
teaching.
excellent.
And not by teaching, just speaking, just listening to her speak, just उनका एक लहजा है जिस तरह वो बात करती हैं, वो सुनकर और इतना सुना है मैंने, we spent so many years together
Yeah.
that it just made my language like that. So my vocabulary is, at least in Urdu, is thanks to Farida ji. मैं थोड़ी बहुत जो टटपुंजे वाली हिंदी बोलती हूँ, वो मेरे father की वजह से है. I'm actually a Bombay girl, so my Hindi is also all over the place.
But I have to, like, I ought to mention, it's taking me back to nostalgia because you've always been like my childhood hero. I've always seen you on TV with Shararat and with Farida ji.
Yes.
It's like I can totally imagine you and Farida ji side by side right now in a frame. And then she's saying something.
We had
and
the
then,
best. We had the best.
एक बार अगर आप मेरे लिए और ऑडियंस के लिए वो
End
कर
में
दोगे.
बोलती हूँ. End में बोलती
एक आप समझ गए ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. एक बार कर दो आप एंड तक, क्या पता लोग वेट करें ना करें.
अरे तभी तो वेट करेंगे.
कर दो, एक बार कर ही दो. चलो
श्रिंग भृंग सर्वलिंग भूत भविष्य वर्तमान बदलिंग.
क्या बात है यार. This has taken me to some other. भाई शरारत was the show we used to watch all the time school से आके.
I as in why not? I'll praise it myself.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
watched a couple of episodes every now and then, Bete. And I am amazed at how a show that I did in year 2003.
Wow.
It's been 23 years. It still holds. The magic still holds. I still feel like saying, okay, now what is she going to do? Or what will Nani do? It's just, you know, it's that thing. It's not so much the show. I believe this just about the term nostalgia. It's not the time. It's who you were in that time that you miss.
Yeah.
And every time you remember that, there's that feeling, that surge of emotion saying, oh my God, life had not contaminated me that much then. I was still pure.
Pure, yeah.
I was still innocent. So I think any nostalgia that happens always reminds us of who we were in that time.
And it's beautiful.
And
like,
of course,
we
the
used
time
to-
itself, but it was really about मैं उस दौर में किस तरह की थी.
और वही था हमारे लिए. मैं बता रहा हूँ, मतलब I was watching one of your previous interviews leading up to this episode, and I saw the top comments, and the top comments were, shit, this is Jia from Shararat. We are getting old.
Yeah. Not that, you know, someone said
And I'm
something.
like, yaar, ye shit.
Someone said something really lovely to me, as in it was a comment, and they said that, you know, you are a core memory. I think
You
that
are.
is such a.
You are.
Matlab, I have to tell you that it's a bit heavy for me to take, but in the nicest way. Because I'm like, wow, I'm someone's core memory. You know, in a world where no one remembers anything, if someone can remember you, you know, I suddenly feel like the center of the universe.
It is. I never knew your name was Shruti.
Yeah, I know. And you know, when I was
I always thought कि हाँ ये तो Jia ही है.
when I was doing Shararat, I was also a VJ on Channel V, and I was
Yeah.
VJ Shruti.
Yeah.
But wherever I went, people would call me Jia, and I would get so angry because I was like, that's not my name.
Yeah.
My name is Shruti. My name is Shruti. And I was very offended by the fact कि किसी को मेरा असली नाम क्यों नहीं पता है. But आप मुझसे आज पूछें, I think I was blessed to have been selected to play that part. I was blessed that the show became such a big success. And I was blessed that it happened at the time that it did. Because I don't think it would have the same impact today.
Really?
With everyone's attention right now, I don't think so. I don't think people remember anything anymore.
मेरे को पता है ये the whole attention span का debate मेरे को थोड़ा सा flawed लगता है. क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है लोग बोलते हैं कि अरे attention span shrink हो रहा है, the attention of a goldfish, etc. I sort of disagree यार, क्योंकि आजकल एक तो the whole media gamut has increased so much that everything is just cut down to this 9:16 frame.
True.
इस एपिसोड की भी 9:16 फ्रेम बहुत सारे बनेंगे, लेकिन 16:9 का एक ही बनेगा. समझ रहे हो? सो इट्स नॉट दैट कि वो शॉर्ट फॉर्म ही देख रहे हैं और उसी में वो 2 सेकंड में स्वाइप कर रहे हैं. मूवीज भी देख रहे हैं लोग आजकल, जहाँ 3 घंटे की मूवीज नहीं देख रहे लोग, मूवीज नहीं देख रहे, इसलिए आप कोच बन रहे हो, आप एक्टिंग छोड़ रहे हो। क्या आप ये कह रहे हैं कि एक्टिंग छोड़
मैं एक्टिंग
क्योंकि
छोड़ रही हूँ। अब क्या हो गया है? Now you get
देखा कैसे
well done.
देखा
What your that मैं बोल दूं ऐसे एक बार dramatically that you can use it.
एक बार ऐसे
एक्टिंग नहीं छोड़ रही हूँ।
मैंने आपने हंस दिया, ऐसे नहीं, ठीक से अगर आप ये ठीक से बोल दोगे हम वो भी यूज कर लेंगे।
हाँ,
दिस इज योर वे
मैंने
टू
एक्टिंग छोड़ दी।
मिल गया हमको। ऐसे हम तीन चार लाइन देते रहो ना, एपिसोड ऐसे ही बन जाएगा।
मैं बोलती रहूँ। अब तो वर्टिकल आ गया ना,
Vertical, हाँ।
वर्टिकल कंटेंट।
Vertical.
नहीं, I'll tell you what has happened.
हाँ
If you ask anybody in the film industry right
हाँ।
now, the entire film industry is saying भैया कोई थिएटर क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? People are not going.
मैं थिएटर की बात ही नहीं कर रहा, मैं कह रहा हूँ मूवीज इन जनरल तो लोग देख ही रहे हैं, ओटीटी हो चाहे वो उस पे हो, डिजिटल हो।
What? Not the same. अभी you know, can I tell you that now it's
एक तो फिल्म में भी अच्छे नहीं बन रहे हैं श्रुति, कम ऑन।
No, I'll tell
Say
you
it
what
out
the
loud.
problem. I'll tell you what the problem is, Deepak. The thing is that everything around us is being manipulated to grab our attention. Number
ठीक है,
one,
ठीक है।
because attention is fractured. You have to understand it is.
नहीं, मैं
It's
समझ
not
गया।
a flawed theory.
नहीं मैं समझ गया, लेकिन आप मेरे को बताओ कि क्या पिक्चरें अच्छी बन रही हैं? आप एक बार बोल दो ना कि हमें पिक्चर अच्छी नहीं बन रही।
For
In the last 10 years, give me 3 films that have really impacted you well.
मैं आपको इस साल की 2 पिक्चरें बता देती हूँ।
फिर तो
इस साल की 2 पिक्चर
चलो बता
I
दो।
just went and watched मैं वापस आऊँगा। I just
Oh
watched.
yes. I have not seen the film, but I've seen the stories that people have
So
put out.
please go watch it. I loved Hail Mary. I thought it was a tremendous film.
हाँ, इसके अलावा
इसके अलावा
इम्तियाज अली can never go wrong. Let me just say that.
I'm saying no. The film has been polarized. There are lots of people who are like, okay, we didn't get it. ये क्या whatever. It's each. See,
लोगों को मैं मेरे को I'm very excited to talk to you because there are a lot of topics I want to talk to you about. Why I'm saying this is because लोगों ने इम्तियाज अली की तमाशा को भी इधर उधर घुमाया था. It is one of the finest films that can ever be made, in my opinion.
I hope Imtiaz watches this.
I
Yes,
really hope
I'm
Imtiaz is watching this because I posted a reel about Imtiaz.
Wait
Imtiaz
till you go
and
and watch. मैं वापस आऊँगा. मतलब रो कर जो तुम्हारी हालत खराब होने वाली
watches this तो छोड़ो, मेरे को तो उनको उनके सामने बैठ के उनसे बात करनी है. मेरे को
I hope-
उनको शिकायत लगानी है कि आप ऐसी पिक्चरें और क्यों नहीं बना रहे हो, क्या हो गया
Can I
भाई?
tell you what is happening? The
हाँ, बताओ,
thing is, you have to understand the industry also works like it's a flow chart, na?
हाँ हाँ
One thing feeds into the next,
हाँ
right?
हाँ
Let's think of on the back of COVID, which changed a lot of things. It was a huge. During the same time, because everything got taken away, here's a very interesting conversation I was having with my brother the other day. He said, you know what? I don't think we were this hooked onto our phones before 2020.
सही बात है, agreed.
The last 6
Agreed.
years
हाँ
have exploded in our hands.
हाँ
Because while we were trapped indoors, you can say this was a lifesaver. Was it though? I don't know.
हाँ
There were books then also. हम पढ़ाई भी कर सकते थे. मैं 6 साल से पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ. I've only been studying for the last 6 years. This was just a convenient tool that in that state that we were all in, this became a balm.
सही बात है, सही बात है.
But it drew us in so fast. In that time, people stopped going into theaters. That was the first time that the industry got a serious setback. Right? The number of theaters that shut down across America. Now, when a film is being made, you have to look at so many things that, okay, what is the sad part is, yes, as an artist, I can say, अरे भाई यार, हर टाइप की पिक्चर बननी चाहिए. बिल्कुल बननी चाहिए. पर क्या मैं वो पिक्चरें फंड कर सकती हूँ? नहीं. So then I can't take those calls, ना. Eventually,
नहीं, आप वो कॉल नहीं ले सकते, बट
मैं सिर्फ उसके लिए cheer कर सकती हूँ. लेकिन eventually it's a business. It's not something happening out of someone's backyard. It's a business. There is money involved. So if money is being spent, money has to be recovered. And the reason why films were being made is because they were being recovered. When people stopped going into the theater, it moved into कि अच्छा अब कोई theater नहीं जाएगा. Now we're going to start making films that people can see either on this format or on this format. Right? This has fractured our attention to the point that now when stories are being written, there is a whole concept called second screen viewing. Nobody watches anything without their phones. आप कोई चीज बिना अपने फोन के देखेंगे भी नहीं.
while something is happening, a dull moment मन किया अच्छा ओ ये मैसेज एक आया है अच्छा तो अब मैंने वो मोमेंट मिस कर दिया पिक्चर में तो मुझे ये बात किसी को फिर से बतानी पड़ेगी सो नाउ स्क्रिप्ट्स आर बीइंग रिटन सेइंग बॉस our viewer is doing second screen viewing which means we have to keep announcing what is happening on screen. I don't know if you ended up seeing there was a film that released Matt Damon and Ben Affleck.
Yeah.
Please go and watch their interviews and hear what they had to say and let them explain to you how they made that film.
Matt Damon and Ben Affleck का तो वो बना था ना वो दो the whole cop thing.
I'm not even able to remember the name of the film. I remember Good Will Hunting, which
Good Will
was
Hunting
there.
तो of course.
But see the difference? I remember Good Will Hunting. I can't remember the film I've just watched because my attention is fractured. And they kept saying we were appalled, being told कि अच्छा नहीं, you have to keep announcing because the person is distracted. So if they're not watching you, at least they're hearing you. आधा अधूरा ही सुन रहे हैं, but they're maintaining the link of the film. You can't have any big things happening on screen because God forbid if a person is distracted by their phone, they're going to miss your money shot or whatever you call it in. So don't do anything.
कितनी crazy बात है बताओ.
So I'm saying the whole thing is being structured
In a way,
because people's brains are afraid.
गाने भी वैसे ही लिखे जा रहे हैं कि Instagram पे चल रहा है.
My daughter is 12 years old. Every song that she knows. I have known albums. Till today, I can sing an entire album of an artist to you. I remember all the songs that much. She knows songs only either with the hook or 30 seconds because she's seen it on TikTok.
Abhi recent, I don't know if you heard about it or not, but there's a case that happened. This guy called Ketan Agarwal who whose fiance planned like a whole murder or whatever with her lover, and they were in Loagarh Fort, and this person just pushed her fiance, and now he's no more. He's 26-year-old. He did everything for her. He proposed to her. He got like flowers for her birthday and did a whole ass presentation and just like did everything. Effort is what you see in anybody, right? He did everything, and then what she does is plan a murder or whatever. Again, there could be two sides of the story. What we've been hearing is that she's planned it, and then there was a partner who was involved, and then they planned to push the other person, etc. A lot of people are defending the woman here, saying कि अरे किया जो भी किया whatever, and I'm like, why this makes no sense at all. This extra the third guy said that she did not confront her family because of the fear of disappointment कि अरे यार मैं अगर ये बोल दूंगी तो फैमिली में बहुत डिसरिस्पेक्ट आ जाएगी शादी नहीं होगी so she chose what like a murder and it's horrific. The second case that I saw recently in the Mumbai railways where
guy on the train got stabbed
on the train got stabbed because of a door argument कि door खुला रहेगा door बंद रहेगा. This person just stabs and he's no more. He was 22 years old.
You know,
where are we heading, Shruti? This is scary.
I don't think
want to bring in your
I don't think we're heading somewhere. I think we are already there. The problem is, when you get such a massive, constant barrage or onslaught of violence against human beings, at some level, your brain switches off. You can't absorb so much because you'll have a mental breakdown. So the brain just kicks in and does what it does, which is then it has to desensitize you. So we've gotten desensitized to violence. It's one of the things that happen.
इतना easy हो गया क्या लोगों को मारना? ये क्या मतलब है कि शादी नहीं करना था तो धक्का देके मार दिया?
But किसी भी चीज में आप देखिए ना.
Door खोलते.
But everyone will justify. But everyone will justify why their anger was
justified.
Everyone. मतलब there has been a war that's been waging. जहाँ पर बच्चे मारे जा रहे हैं rooms. The whole world is watching in 2026. Not just one, multiple wars are happening. That one's probably getting the most amount of traction. But people are dying all around us. So at some level, if I have to survive, how do people survive in war? right? Is your brain knows how to preserve itself, saying, okay, now I'm going to start blocking things out, because if I absorb so much, I will probably unravel and collapse. Which is why what happens with PTSD is, how do people get it? It's post-traumatic stress disorder. In that moment, your brain has shielded you. It has taken information and repressed it really fast, saying you've got to survive right now. It will come up later. The thing is, the brain can make you forget, but the body always remembers.
Yeah.
And what's happening to all of us is that we're getting okay with people dying.
It's become a normal thing.
No,
It's
I'll tell you what. Now imagine कि you have spent most of your life seeing people get hurt. Right? किसी की चोट लग गई, खून निकल गया, हड्डी टूट गई, आपने देखा है. हाँ, फिर आपने इतना देखा है कि अब you're like, हाँ यार, मतलब क्रिकेट खेलते हैं तो चोट लगती है, फुटबॉल खेलते हैं तो चोट लगती है, क्या बड़ी बात है, हड्डी टूट गई, रीढ़ की हड्डी टूट गई, मुंह पे तमाचा लग गया, broke the cheekbone. Do you get appalled by it? No. Your brain has gotten sensitized to it. Yeah, this is normal. So now we're just extrapolating that and taking it to the next level, which is death. I'm so used to seeing people dying or reading in the news about people dying that now it doesn't seem something extraordinary. हाँ तो दे दिया धक्का यार, मार दिया किसी को. Your brain has gotten desensitized to it, and which is what is, here's the other problem. As you see human suffering, all of it, different types, when it is shown to you as something that is so commonplace that you want to distance yourself from it because you're like, I don't want to take the burden of it. There is a reason why compassion is something that needs to be trained. In fact, I just finished a certification in something called CBCT, which is cognitively based compassion therapy, which is where you train your brain to be more compassionate. Because in the world that we live in right now, it is so desensitized that we don't feel other people's pain anymore. And when you don't feel pain, you don't mind inflicting it.
Yeah.
So I remember this when my daughter was very tiny. She was very little. One day, she was having a little fight with her nanny and she pulled her nanny's hair. Now, she was little. And I saw it and I said, 1 second, come here. She came and
What's
I
her name,
pulled her
if
hair.
I
Her
may
name is
ask?
Alina.
Alina, okay.
She came and I pulled her hair. And I said, how did that feel? And she was like, Mama, it hurt. I said, that's what you did to Didi. So next time, don't do it. But she had to know that pain. As a child, what does she understand कि बाल खींचने से कितना दर्द होता है? But she had to understand pain so she wouldn't inflict it on someone.
Yeah.
Right? So similarly, when it comes to death, to destruction, to pain, to torture, to suffering, our brains have, all we're doing is consuming elevated lives. दुख दर्द तो देखते ही नहीं हम लोग, उसको तो हम हटा देते हैं ना अपनी कॉन्शियसनेस से, क्योंकि इट्स टू मच टू बेयर. अब कौन इतना दुख झेलेगा यार? But the thing is that when you desensitize yourself, you become someone who becomes okay with it. And then you actually become someone who can perpetrate it and perform it. So I could be someone who could hear of someone dying and feel very bad. If I stop feeling that, which is what, when you say people are sociopaths, they don't feel anything,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
They don't
yeah.
have empathy.
Yeah.
They don't understand compassion. So they're very okay hurting people. And then that hurt can be anything. It can be emotional abuse or it can be someone pushing you off a cliff.
Yeah.
Your brain is desensitized to it. And the more we continue the path we're going, that is the fact that we are cutting trees, burning forests, just the destruction of the planet is at another level. क्योंकि हमें क्या पता ट्रीज को कितनी दर्द हो रही है, हमें थोड़ी ना मालूम है. काट दो,
वो तो बिल्डिंग बनानी है,
सीधी सी बात है.
मॉल खड़ा करना है, फैक्ट्री खड़ी करनी है. पता नहीं यार, I just feel when I heard the news, and this is not the first news we hear this.
A number of women.
I'm sure.
The number of rape cases we've heard of, the number of murders we've heard of, the number of acid attacks we've heard of. Why are they still happening? It's because we've become desensitized to them. When children went and committed suicide right now because of a paper leak, now I can say, क्या है यार, paper ही तो leak हुआ है. I don't know what that child's pain is. I don't know how hard it must have been for that kid to be able to give that exam. What all his family must have had to do. I need to have compassion to understand that what that magnitude was for that human being.
Correct.
So only when we connect with each other as humanity, I will next stand up against, I don't know where I saw some news, some guy started beating an old man somewhere very badly.
Yeah, this was.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that.
So some boy was spitting, or the taxi driver.
That auto, taxi, whatever. Yeah.
He was spitting, and this old man told him, "Ya mat thuko." I think it was in Thane somewhere.
Yeah.
Dear God, the way he beat that old man, I was just like, and people didn't do anything.
I was like, quote unquote, I was shivering. Ki ye,
Nobody did anything. There were
kya kar
people
raha hai?
around there who just stood and watched till a certain point. Someone went and then informed the political party that's in power in that constituency, and they came and they thrashed that guy.
Yeah.
But the point is,
I saw a lot of videos after that. Yeah.
But the point is, in that moment, while this man was bashing this old man, people were just standing. क्योंकि एक तरफ से तो अब हम डर गए हैं बहुत, और दूसरा कि हाँ ये तो रोज ही होता है यार, क्या बड़ी बात है. When you think about why
is it also because
there's so much violence in slums, when you think about it, because their lives are just, you can't blame them for being angry. Imagine not having water. Imagine not having electricity. Imagine
not having a toilet.
Not having sanitation.
Basic as...
And that is now your life.
Yeah.
And you don't get the right to want better. This is your life. It has been sealed, and now this is the life you will live.
I think people also don't act because they feel unsafe.
Of course.
They feel that it might just happen to them.
Of course.
And the cost of speaking up is your life.
Yes, absolutely.
In the country,
absolutely.
In a country where if you speak up about a particular thing.
Anywhere on the planet.
On the planet,
it's not just, I'm saying आप कहीं भी चले
our country, because we see more of things in our country, but I'm just saying that in general, it's just that the moment you try and question things, the moment you try and sort of speak up, वो सब छोड़ो, the moment you just try and save somebody.
Now someone can stab you in a train.
For a door controversy.
You don't know who is. And here's the problem. And again, at the sound of plugging myself, I'm doing it purposely because I think people need to wake up.
Yeah.
We're all moving through life in a stupor. Okay, bhai, let's just absorb as much as we can take. Baki ko tune out kar do. Till we don't wake up and recognize what's happening around us, this is going to become more and more common, where you don't know, like you are dysregulated, the other guy is also dysregulated, the other guy is also dysregulated, the other woman is also
highly dysregulated. ये तो मतलब
which of you has a penknife or
a dagger or whatever.
Or a dagger? I don't know.
हाँ सही बात है.
Who am I going to step on? And God knows set off which bomb. I don't know.
I have circles in Bombay where people have been vulnerable, and it's a beautiful thing where they sit and they cry. Why I said because we can't console. So at times it has happened that this one person is crying and the two of us are looking at the ki sala isko karna kya hai? What to do? Do we sit next to him? Do we give him a hug? Do we take him on a drive? Do we not talk about it at all? Do we just dismiss it? Do we listen to music? Do we just try and lighten it up? Or do we just let him cry?
I was just going to come to that. That the tip is,
I know.
A person just wants to just needs space.
मैं समझ गया. Again, so what I'm saying is, I've seen these circles around me now. पहले ये नहीं था. So for us to understand,
a step in the right direction.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a good thing that you can say this, because I feel a little more assured saying, okay, men are trying to bring other men into a conversation, into a space. And when you said now that why is vulnerability such a charming thing? Is because it makes us feel less alone. Because आप दिखाओ या ना दिखाओ वो दूसरी बात है. Your coping mechanism may be something else. But deep down, the feelings are all universal. When someone dies, we all feel pain. The women may demonstrate it by crying. The men may hold on to that feeling, but both are feeling pain.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? When someone succeeds, when a team wins, everyone feels elated. Someone may do a cartwheel, the other person may just clap lightly.
Yeah, absolutely.
But both people are feeling
Ways of
elated.
expression. Yeah, absolutely.
The reason why vulnerability is so nice is because we're all struggling with the same questions. We're all struggling with the same thing, saying, yeah, why is this life not feeling so nice? Why are things feeling so heavy suddenly?
Yeah.
Am I alone in this? Is everyone else seems to be having such a good time on Instagram? Am I the only one who's feeling terrible? Am I the only one falling behind? But the moment you start witnessing vulnerability, okay, this person is also feeling something like me.
Yeah.
So I'm not alone.
Yeah.
And the biggest problem with humanity is loneliness. It's supposed to be the number one killer. And it's not about whether you are isolated, it's about the feeling of loneliness. Saying, maybe I'm struggling alone. So the more vulnerable we become and the more vulnerability we witness, it will again just, I would say, restart the compassion that's already within us. It's already there. It's just been suppressed under a lot of stupid stuff. So when it starts to come back up, life will start feeling good again.
वो fear of loneliness ही है यार, वो तो और
That's
कुछ
all it is.
है ही नहीं.
That's all it is. When you imagine, now just imagine a scenario where you are actually alone. You are in the middle of nowhere, all alone. If you were to just close your eyes and imagine that feeling, now imagine that's how you're feeling all the time. And everything is around you, but you're still feeling like that. So when there is even the slightest setback and you don't know how to express it or who to express it to, you're just going on carrying all these things in you. And that, like I said, no, we're all holding on to ourselves with very thin threads. We don't know what's going to be that thread.
Absolutely. Like you mentioned, time bombs. So we're just ticking on time bombs.
This incident that has happened on that train is a person who was a ticking time bomb and he got set off. And sadly, another human being lost their life. How sad is that?
Yeah.
So we're all like that. We're all going through life like that. But it's not set in stone. It can be changed.
It can change. Yeah, absolutely.
But you have to take the first step saying, I want to change. I want to know what have I been made to forget. And that's literally what I keep saying on so many of my posts, saying, I just want you to remember who you are.
गुस्सा आता है आपको?
बहुत.
हाँ.
मैं माँ हूँ भाई.
That is the real for us.
Yeah, मैं माँ हूँ.
That is the real for us.
कोई बोले मेरी बेटी को कुछ, मैं छोड़ूंगी नहीं.
नहीं, but बेटी पे गुस्सा आता है कि नहीं?
हाँ, वो तो सब पे गुस्सा आता है. नहीं, I'm saying you become an angry person when you know you have to shield someone else.
हाँ, fair. Is there a thing that you would not teach her?
To be angry.
To be angry.
I don't want her to be angry. But I'm sure I'm feeling because she sees me and she will probably feel. But I think, what I keep telling her is, I say this to her a lot actually. I always tell her that remember that your physicality, your looks, all of it is the least interesting part of you. It is the least interesting part of you. There's so much more to you as a person. Your essence, the goodness that you have, the kindness that you have, the humor that you have, the intelligence that you have.
What is money for you?
Oh, I read something very nice that said, I don't want you money, I want love you money. I want love you money so that I can give money to all the people that I love.
Wow.
That's it. I don't want to tell people to go themselves because I have money. I just want to tell people, everyone I love, I have enough money for all of us.
I have this, just because I have money, I've done this and I don't care how much it costs. I'll just do it because I have money. Because I like traveling so much and it's something that gives me a lot of joy. And I think it's one of the most deeply enriching experiences. Many, many years ago, I had been called to come and conduct an event on this cruise liner. And there were these 5 friends who were from some state in India. And what they did every year
is that the five of them would pool in some cash. And when I'm saying cash, I'm talking in like love you money.
हाँ ठीक है.
Okay, they would pool in a cash and make a nice big huge reserve
हाँ.
and then invite their entire extended family and friends and take them on a yearly holiday, which I think was just
Still धड़कने दो.
but that's a celebration of very few people.
That's the plot.
I'm talking about booking an entire cruise ship
Yeah.
and take everyone that I love on it so that I can be with all the people that I love and just go for a 6-month long cruise
Lovely.
like a world tour. Like I that would be the dream for me. That's the kind of love you money I want. And I think it's something that I learned from my chacha, watching him my whole life and then him also saying it, is that when a bill appears, make it disappear. Nobody should get to see the bill. You make it disappear. So he would always be the first person to reach for his wallet. And I think that was just, so I hope I can do that. If I'm in a room, nobody will know what the bills are. I hope I have that kind of money.
That's a good perspective to have.
Yeah.
That's a good perspective.
Making everyone's bills disappear.
Wow. That'll be.
Yeah, all bills. Like, you know, if I could,
Just pay off someone's debt.
yeah, like pay off people's debts.
Educate somebody's
And,
kid for life.
Let me put it in a single sentence. I want that kind of love you money that I can set everyone I know free. I want to set them free. They should be able to do what they want. They should be able to pursue all their dreams. They should be able to see the world. They should be able to educate their kids, look after their parents, take care of their health. Just set them free. Like they don't have to ever be held back because they didn't have the funds.
But yeah, I think what I loved about this episode was the fact that how honest we were, and we were just trying to be ourselves and trying to hold a conversation, which was our job. Your job is to watch the episode and drop a comment, which I'm sure you will. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked the episode, or if you did not like whichever part of the episode, just drop a comment. Tell us what you liked and what you didn't. We'll try and implement that. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you same time next week, Friday 6 p.m. with a fresh new episode. Till then, it's a wrap. एक बार बोल दो कि अर्चना जी को लाओगे आप शो पे.
मैं लाऊंगी नहीं, मैं बोल दूंगी आ जाएं.
बस तो बोल दो ना कैमरा के लिए बोल दो कि.
Archie, I really think you should be sitting here next because the audience needs to see the Archie that I know and I love so much, and I'm sure they do too. But this was a delightful conversation, and I'm sure you'll have so much to add to it.
Thank you so much. अब ये record पे अब उनको आना ही पड़ेगा. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week, same time. Till then, it's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.
Thank you.